Yo, what's up guys? Kovacs here. Today, we're going to be asking random people to 1v1 me. Don't mind this map, this is my YouTube studio map. It's still work in progress, but I can give you a little tour around. So, pretty much, this is the green screen room. I'll show you that first. So, pretty much, what this is whenever I want to make, like, thumbnails, if I want to make, like, a thumbnail, I don't know, a profile picture, I'll pretty much come, these are meant to be lights, I don't know, they didn't do very well. I'll pretty much come in here, take the photo, and yeah. Hold on, just get in here. Put password. Run the buzzword. Yes, this is the gaming room. I don't know, it's just like a little picture. No, it's not a picture, sorry. It's just like a little gaming setup. I don't know, it's just pretty much to mess around on. Maybe sometimes I might start videos here, I'm not sure. If I could figure out how to put like a, I don't know, a mirror right here. Because I don't know how to work the camera. If anybody wants to teach me to use the camera, just go in the comments. Yeah, they could come in here and teach me how to use the camera. And yeah, so that's the game. That's the green screen room, gaming room. So this is work in progress. It's nowhere near done. This is pretty much where, if I don't know, if I'm meeting up with fans, my friends, I don't know, I pretty much come in here. We just talk about stuff, you know. These are meant to be beanbags. They're not very good, but yeah. I don't know what this is. I just felt like making, I don't know, like a sword. It's pretty bad. So yeah, that's pretty much the tour. I'm gonna add like another room right here. I'm not sure what it's gonna be called. I think I'm gonna have a way to get to forest. I don't know. It's gonna be like a way to get to forest, and that's gonna be like my practicing place, in the 1v1 place, or maybe like where I make videos. I don't know. I'm gonna start making a lot of cat tag videos. Anyways, back to what the video is. I'm going to be asking random people to 1v1 me in cat tag. Right guys, we're back. We have found someone to 1v1. So yeah, let's just get started. Hello. Chase me, alright? 3, 2, 3, go!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Right. I'm gonna like start off easy, maybe just to see how good he is. This guy's not terrible actually. Oh, what? You're not bad in the big game.
Thanks. Fuck, I messed up.
So in this video, guys, I'm probably gonna be 1v1 like 5 people, or maybe actually 3. If I 1v1 5 people, this video will be ages. So pretty much the time cap is gonna be 1 minute and 30 seconds. All right.
Okay.
I might struggle tagging because I'm playing quite bad today.
No. I'm coming up there. I know how to get up there.
Oh.
Damn it. I just started playing, so I'm not that good. Or like, I didn't start playing today, but...
Now you're good. Oh no!
No! What the hell, bro?
I just fell right into him. I don't know how I'm not tagged right now.
You don't think I couldn't wall run? Oh shit. Wasn't
Oh.
that.
I'm playing so bad.
Oh.
If I lose to a random in this video, quick cat tag forever.
Where did you go?
I can hear him.
No, no way. Oh, what the hell? Damn it.
Right, ready? I'm bloody better than himself. Better than himself. Joking. He's always better than me. Oh, he's way better than me. I'm terrible.
Oh, god damn it. You're very good, bro.
Thanks, bro. You too.
Vänta, Alvin. Nej, men vi ska... Jag ska...
Joking. Nah, but bro, you actually are good.
Oh, where did you go now? Oh, I see you over there.
I think the time cap's gone off. So we'll meet on top of stump. Meet on top of stump, bro.
We're gonna tag one.
Yeah. Right, 5, 4,
Vänta,
3,
Alvin. Jag har
2.
någon minut kvar.
1. I'm chasing you now. I'm gonna. Oh shit. No. 2-0. Well, forfeited. He forfeited. Yeah, he forfeited, so 1-0. I've not lost, so we're going to do 3 1v1s. I'm going to count, so I've won 1 out of 1 1v1. 1 out of 3. Right. Let's go find some more people. Let's go again. Ready?
5, 4,
Okay, this
3,
guy might be good.
2, 1.
He's got the water gun. It costs money, so maybe he's good.
No, I actually saved up my money for a month to get this, so yeah. Not that good.
I'm gonna see how good he is. And then if he's good, we'll lock in. So the time cap,
Where did you go?
the time cap is 1 minute and 30 seconds.
I'm coming. Well, you're so good at this.
Nah, I'm alright. Thank you, bro, though.
I'm not good at this game. This is my first game on today.
Ah! Oh my god, this guy's
Oh,
scaring
you're
me.
lucky. Bro, you know all the routes in cat tag, I swear. I've just lost you. No, I'm not joking, I've actually just lost you, Sigma.
I'm dead, ready?
Hi!
Okay, this guy's actually good. Let me lock in.
No,
Oh
why
god,
you
he's right
actually
there.
lucky? No! What the fuck? Disconnect there.
Okay, let me lock in. Oh my god, that
Sorry,
branch is in my
behind
way.
you, please.
If I get up here, I'm chilling.
No! No! He's not the trick that I'm still trying to learn. Holy. I'm not good at this. Am I?
A signature move. W's. Aw.
Sigma!
This guy's good.
Bro, is the time cap over yet? I think
Almost.
it is.
I've got 10 seconds.
Oh yeah, I ain't tagging you 10.
4, 3, 2,
No, you're
1. Bye. Yes!
I was so close!
Yeah. Come, ready? 5, 4,
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. I'm coming for you. No! Went under me, that's so
I'm
lucky.
definitely getting tagged in.
I cannot. No. Duo. Right, ready? Give me 5 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Uh-oh.
1.
Uh-oh, I might be cooked. I need to hit the time cap, otherwise it's not going to be a full 3-0.
Bro,
Ready? 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 Signature move. Ah! Billy. Hello? Hello? Oh, he left. Well, I've got 2 wins out of 3 games. Last game. Let's see.
Alright.
And the time cap is
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, German!
oh god.
Oh, yes!
I don't think this guy's gonna be good.
Monkey God straightness!
The only person that's really been good in this 1v1 has been that guy called Billy Bob. I might add him because he's actually good. Should I just sit here the entire time?
I cannot see where.
Ugh.
Oh, where?
I am so Sigma. Wait,
What
what
the
percent's my
icy-
headset on?
What is that I see?
18. Gonna have to hurry up.
Are you 19? I'm so bad. Look, my hand is so weak. I cannot see you anywhere. So where are you, by the way?
We're lost.
I cannot. How Dude, I cannot brush that fast. Bro. How you brush that fast?
Oh my god, that was so
Come
risky.
on. I fell down again.
This kid's the sort of person I might rage quit.
Dude, I cannot. Dude, where? I'm gonna go top with him. Oh, come. Dude, I see a stone. No, not today. Not today, champ. Not today. Not today.
Oh god, that was close. I need to stop trolling. These guys are not actually mid.
I feel I'm dead. I feel I'm dead.
Right, where is he? Hello? Did he rage quit?
Okay.
5.
Wait.
Run!
Wait.
5, 4,
I don't have to play
3.
the game.
2, 1. No. No.
Oh my god. You scared my poop. Ah, my poopy.
I fell.
Damn, son. Look at me.
That hit the speed boost.
Damn.
Damn, this kid's kind of running me.
Oh my god.
Wait, what?
Oh my god! Oh my god! No!
There we go. 2-0.
I'm gonna play for it.
You wanna play Fortnite?
Yes, I am.
Okay, goodbye.
Find it. How about we play fighting game? Fight.
Nah, I'm
We
alright.
play like that.
Right, do you quit? Right, guys. He is not cooperating. He keeps on talking about fighting Fortnite. He just doesn't want to do it. So I kicked him. He didn't try and tag me at all. I ran him. So yeah, made them all rage quit. I guess. Gold medal. Top place. Yeah, so I went all free. I made them all rage quit. Yay! Yeah, I'm so good at this game. So can you like subscribe and like the video? I don't know. Oh, by the way, I might play mini games. Next video I'm gonna play mini games with people that comment their username in the comments. Play mini games with them. And yeah. Well, that's the end of the video. Goodbye.